Good morning, one and all. My name is N. Manogna. My roll number is 22001A0510. Today, I am here to explain my full stack development project, and the project topic is Exit Survey Management System. Let's get started. First of all, introduction. It is a system or a website designed to collect feedback from different individuals who are exiting an organization or an university. Here, the users who can submit their surveys are students, parents, alumni, faculty, and the employers. Next, it provides a simple and user friendly interface for completing the surveys. And these surveys are fully dynamic, which allows admin to update questions anytime. Here, admin can modify, delete the questions whenever they need it. And it collects and stores the responses securely in CSV format for easy access and analysis. Also, they generate graphs and statistics to visualize feedback for better decision making. Next, functionality. It automatically loads the relevant questions based on the selected user type. Here, different users have different questions, so the questions are loaded based on the user type. And it ensures all required fields are filled before submitting the surveys. And these responses are stored instantly in a CSV file after user submitting their feedback. And it allows admin to delete outdated and unused survey questions. Also, it supports uploading external CSV files for analysis and comparison purpose. And here the admin can preview the questions before publishing them for the survey purpose. Next, technology stack. For front-end, HTML is used to provide the structure of the web pages, and CSS is used for styling the web pages, and JavaScript is used to give the functionality to the website. Next, for backend, PHP is used. It is used to handle form submissions, user login, and data processing. And for data management, CSV files are used. These files stores survey questions and the responses. Other softwares that are used are XAMPP is used for running the PHP applications, and VS Code, it is a code editor which is used to write code. And the browser is used to view the web applications. Browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Opera, Microsoft Edge, etc. can be used. And for Apache is an open server which is used to serve the web content. And PHP MyAdmin is used to manage the MySQL databases. I used MySQL to store the admin username and their passwords. So moving on to the project. First of all, I'll open XAMPP. Here I'm going to start Apache and MySQL. Now I'll open Chrome and I'll type localhost exit survey php. So here, this is the first page of the website. Here we can view different categories like student, alumni, parent, faculty, and the employer. So by selecting the category, we'll get the different questions. These are the questions for student and these are for alumni, and these will be for parent, like this different categories of different surveys. These, first of all, it collects the personal information, next the answers for the survey questions, at last it collects some feedback, like or some suggestions, and at last we can submit the survey. So for I'll submit one survey. I'm answering these questions randomly for testing purpose. And I'll keep it as nice and I'll submit. So the survey got submitted and I'll return to home. So let us see whether the responses got submitted or not. It is a parent survey. So I'll see parent responses. So yes, it is got submitted. The last one is the response that I submitted now. So let us go into the project again. After all these categories, we have an option of admin login. So I'm a login into the admin page with username and password. So login. In admin page, we have two options: manage questions and view analysis. Manage question is used to edit, create, or delete survey questions. So in manage questions, we have different stakeholder surveys like student, parent, alumni, faculty, and employee. So we can edit the questions as we need it. Um, Editing here we have options for deleting, editing questions, etc. And at last we have option to add a new question. So I'll add some random question like what is your name? And here the question type, like here we can select the option like in what way we need the answer, like single choice, multiple choice, or text answer, or rating scale. I'm selecting a text input. And if it is a MCQ question, here we can give the options with the options separated by commas. It's just the input text, so I'm not writing anything here, and I'll add a question. So here at last the question get added, like see what is your name, and it is of text type. So if you need, we can also edit the question here, like what you are studying. Okay, so the question got changed. Also, we can delete the question. See, the question got deleted. So this is the managing questions page. Here we can create, delete, or modify the questions we want for any stakeholder. And moving back to the dashboard, here we have the option of view analysis. It is used to get the analysis purpose of the survey feedback. In view analysis, here we have to submit the CSV file, any CSV file, not only the surveys that are used in this website. Other than the website, any CSV file can be uploaded. I am uploading students' responses. Open. See, we got the response, feedback in the form of pie charts. So these are the feedback. This is all the personal information. And from here, we'll get the analysis of questions. How many members selected excellent, how many selected poor, and how many selected good, like that. And at last, we can also get the analysis of the comments, like what are the positive comments, negative comments, and also the neutral comments. They are categorized in three ways. I categorize them in three ways, and they will get differentiated in three ways. And we can also print this analysis by printing on here, by selecting print analysis. So it prints in the form of, it saves in the form of PDF format. So I'll save it in the PDF format. It will get saved also. And moving back to the dashboard, we have a option called add admin. Here, one admin only can add the another admin. So I'll select add admin. I'll select like, okay, let it be a professor. And the password will be something like some random password, and I'll confirm the password and create admin. New admin account created successfully. I'm moving back to the dashboard, log out from the present admin, and logging in with the new admin, professor, and the password, login. Yeah, we've successfully logged in with the new admin, and I'm logging out and back to the home. This is about the exit survey management project. And moving to the conclusion, it efficiently collects and manages feedback from multiple stakeholders, and it is the service or dynamic and secure admin access for flexibility. Using XAMPP, VS Code, and Apache is used for the smooth operation of the website, and data is stored on CSV files for easy access and analysis. And PHP MyAdmin simplifies the database management and reporting. So this is my project. Thank you.